Hey everyone, welcome to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through creating a two-signature multi-sig wallet on the Ton blockchain, a great way to boost security by requiring 2 approvals for each transaction. Before we get into the technical steps, let me quickly explain what a multi-sig wallet is. A multi-sig wallet or multi-signature wallet requires more than one person to approve a transaction. In our case, with a two-signature wallet, at least 2 parties need to give their approval before funds can be transferred. This adds a strong layer of security and ensures shared control over your assets. Now let's dive into the steps. We'll be using a wallet interface called TonKey, built specifically for the Ton blockchain. First, head over to the TonKey website. You can find the link in the video description below. Once on the website, click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Keep in mind, for now, only these 2 wallets are supported, so you can't use others like TonKeeper. Next, choose the wallet you'd like to connect to TonKey. You can use either OpenMask or Myton Wallet for this. Here we are using Myton Wallet. After connecting your wallet, click on the Create New TonKey button. Now it's time to configure your multi-sig wallet. Start by giving it a name. This name is just for you and helps you keep track of your wallets. After that, you'll need to add the owners of the wallet. Click Add New Owner and enter the wallet addresses of the people who will have control over this multi-sig account. For a 2-signature setup, add 2 wallet addresses. Then set the threshold to 2. This means both owners must approve any transaction before it's executed. Check the information, then click Next. You'll need to pay a 0.05 ton fee to create the wallet. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. After creating the wallet, you can return to the TonKey dashboard where your new multi-sig wallet will be listed. Click on your wallet. Here you can view your multi-sig wallet assets, and here is your wallet address. You can send Ton coins and other Ton tokens to this wallet. We'll send 0.5 ton now, and later we'll go over how to withdraw from it. As you can see, we've received the 0.5 ton. Now, let's make a transaction. Click on the New Transaction button. Then click on Send Tokens. Now, go ahead and fill in all the required information to complete this step and ensure everything is accurate. Next, click on Submit to proceed and then sign the transaction to finalize everything. Now, go to the Transactions section and then to the Queue tab. Here, you'll see the transaction we signed, which requires confirmation from the other wallet for it to be completed. Now, we're going to connect the other wallet to TonKey and use it to sign this transaction. Next, click on the wallet you created, go to the Transactions section, and then to the Queue tab. Select the transaction you need to sign, click Confirm, and complete the signature in your wallet. Now, click Execute to complete the transaction. Keep in mind, the fee will be automatically deducted from your assets in TonKey. Confirm the signature in your wallet one more time. Now we wait for the transaction status to be successful. And there you have it, a secure 2-signature wallet on the Ton blockchain set up in just a few simple steps. This method is perfect for anyone looking to protect their funds with multiple layers of approval. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the Ton ecosystem. See you in the next video.